Hello everyone. Program scheme. I don't know this thing. I know this thing is okay. So we are live. I think so. Let's just me check for a few seconds. Doing the checks and we are good to go. I think so. Let's see. Is our live is properly audible or not, or it's visible or not? I think so. It's ready to view. Okay, just check. Yeah, is my typing is visible? He 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 he. We are live finally, but I don't see anything changes in my screen in the live. Let me see just for a second. Okay, yeah. Now I can see that we are live properly. So let's start our practice sessions again. Welcome to our practice session, guys. So yeah, we have already solved this problem, palindrome checker, but let's again, if this question has been arrived, so we are solving this. Write a functions that check whether a given string is a palindroming, or palindroming is a word or a phrase that reads stream from forwards and the backwards, ignoring spaces and punctuations and capitalizations. Example is palindroming race car. Okay, true. Okay. Let's start. Create a function. FNCTI in functions. Palindrome check. So yeah, we have been called this palindrome console.log palindrome checker. So we have been called this and putting the race car. We got a string. So we also have got a hint concept to practice replace lower. Okay, so these are the things that we can use to solve this. Let's solve this. Let ans equals to str string dot what we can do, we got a string, so just string dot split. We have been split dot okay, we have been split it. After the splitting we will be just dot reverse. We are got array. So after writing array, let's join it. Join again nothing. Let's console.log once console.log. Okay, just a second. Yeah, ans. So we can see race car. Okay, but we got a space here. So what we think? So a race car first there. So this will not this is race car should return is palindrome race car should return true. Okay, this should not return true, but we have to remove the space also. This does this mean? Okay. How to remove a space in? We can use either something regex to remove the space in the word, but I don't know the regex, so we will let's search. What is the code for remove space in using regex in JS? So there are something regex are the some of the methods like this, some of the keys we use to remove the space from the original strings. Okay, like the strings we remove. So string dot reverse replace remove all white spaces. So let's use this. Okay, let new string equals to string dot replace. Okay, now I got it why the dot replace was here. Yeah, okay. So now just check this console.log new string, and we are able to see this race car. Okay, okay, so now we will be using this new string, okay. Now we can see the answer, so it will got a race car. Okay, so return str equals to ans, so it will be true. Why it is false? Is equal to ans, why not? Console.log, okay, not a string, actually it should be compared with new string, because we have removed the spaces, right? Yeah, it's true. If it is madam, then should it also true. If it is Malayam, Malayalam, because these are the some of the words which we use as a palindromic, but if you use teacher, it will not, because it's a false. So like this. So if we check ma space dam, then also madam, true. Yeah, dam. So if you know other words which are palindromic, just mention in the chat, we will love to check. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, we got so yeah, uh, so like this you can also analyze the understand how the log error should be analyzed. So she see, this is the arrow and syntax error, missing parenthesis, round brackets, what we call round brackets, circular brackets kind of thing I call. So missing round brackets after the argument list. So this is telling the error is conducted on the main.js line number 13. So like this we decode the error. Yeah, just practicing and understanding, try to. So in the development phase we will be also facing some of the major type of error we have to debug. Although AI is there, but we have to develop a mindset also, because relying on AI is not so good too. So let's go to the second questions. Vowel counter. Okay, vowel counter problem. Write a function that takes a string as an input and returns the number of vowels a, e, I, o present in that string. Okay, let's create a function. func din function vowel counter. Okay, after doing this we will be leveling up this, because yesterday we are solving some of the questions which was really tough for us, because we didn't practice too much on that topics. So we need to strong up on that topics. Okay. Function vowel counter. So the problem is, write a function that takes a string as an input and returns the number of vowels. Vowel counter. Okay, present. So let's console.log vowel counter. Okay, in that we have been just pass this only. Okay. Hello world. Ah, 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 ah. हाँ हाँ हाँ. So yeah. Oh shit. So this was our baby language that we use in our home without talking anything, so just creating some voice and we understand each other's language. This is our specialty. So let's see. Okay, so we have been passed a string. Okay. Return the numbers of vowels present in. Okay, so should return 3. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the string. let as a new string. First we will remove the regex. str string dot replace method, in that we paste regex. So this is the regex which removes the white spaces from the string. So we got removed. Now after removing, let ans equals to, okay, we will be do new string dot split. Okay, after splitting we will be doing what? Split. We have been splitted. After splitting we will be okay, no, not, we will not bring anything, just split. We will got an array. If we got an array, so we will be, we can use switch statement also, right? Okay, so let's create a count equals to 0. For loop I equals to 0, I less than ans. Okay, we don't have to split also, because we can travels in the string also. So rather than splitting this, why would we so brute force? Let's bring some, okay, new string dot length. We will be little optimize. Okay, so we have traveled through all the things. After traveling, what we can do is switch as a switch statement. We will pass this I, new str of I we will pass here, and case 1a. Also we will try to do, after replacing, dot to lower case. So let's see, console dot log new string. So we should got a lower case. Okay, okay, I forgot the switch statement. Let's do how to write a switch case in JavaScript. Just forgot the syntax. Okay, no, actually we are okay, like this colon. Okay, so after that just console.log. Oh, why would we I console.log? I will be just count plus plus and that break, and it will be again do. Okay, breaks here, it will be terminated and go to the next. Okay, so does we need to write either anything else? Okay, I was wrong. Yeah, that's why I didn't get yeah, like this I should get. Okay, so what we have been tell else. So this is a switch statement that we use very less time, but yeah, we can try. Okay, after that case a e count plus plus and red break, case a e I, case a e I o, case a e I o u. So these are the case, just copy and paste. Okay, 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 so like this we have been done. Just checking. Okay, we are pet. Okay, so I've added, so it will be done. And just check this whole scenario, console.log. Okay, count also we can see. Okay, 3. Yeah, hello world. If it is capital O, then it will be smaller case, right? Yeah, it's smaller case. And now we will be return what we will be return count. So yeah, you can see now the answer is 3. What was I expecting? Yeah, 3. So let's try a new word. Hello Kanachi. So here EO2 A3 4 A 5 I. So we'll be getting a total 5. Yep. So yeah, like this, using the switch statement we have been solved the problem. So you can also do using what using if statement and a ternary operator. Just a second. So what's the thing? So what is the second question? I just got distracted. Yeah. So what is the next question is array deduplications. Okay. Okay, just once again, just got distracted. No issue. So deduplications problem: write a function that takes an array of a numbers or a string and return a new array with all duplicates element removed. Okay, so you have to remove all the duplications. Okay, let's create a function array duplication. This is the function name. It will receive an array. Okay, let's call it a console.log array duplication. Okay, so we just copy and pasting this okay input here. So now we got a array. Okay, so what we can do is you have to remove the duplicate, right? Does we have to return the same array or return a new array? Okay, return the new array. How we can do this? Either we can use a set like something, or just let's casually do with a set. Let set equals to a new set. In the JavaScript we have a set. Using that we can also, okay, in that we have just destructured the array and pass. Let's console.log set. Okay, new set. One is not iterable. What issue? Let's like this. Yeah, set is like this. So it will be remove all the things, and after that we can upload the set object or a filter. Yeah, you can see we have been given some of the hint. The set object or a dot filter of a dot index of. So like this we can do. So if we do this like so, we will be running a for loop. Return how will from again set to array? This is a question. How will we doing set object and or a filter or okay. For loop, not for loop. Let ens equals to new array dot fill with set. So what will be answer of this? We are just trying this. Okay, it's undefined. If it's filled with 0, it will be left. Set dot size. Okay, 4 fill with set. Okay, it's just a 4 size. Okay, well, set dot size, and in that for loop that I equals to 0, I less than ens dot length I plus plus. In that we will be ens of I equals to set of I. Does it work? Let's see. Undefined, undefined, undefined. Okay, how to iterate in set? We can check this. How to iterate in set? It's a type of object only. Okay, in JS. For off loop. Okay, for set equals to we have like this. For let value of set, like this we can access. For off loop is used, okay, for the set. So let's remove this. Ans dot push value. After this we will be able to see the answer. Okay. Array dot size 1 2 3 4. Okay, just remove this because it's reserve that space for them. Okay, yeah, we can do this thing also. Return ans. So like this we have been solved this question. Also we can solve using dot filter. Let's try with the dot filter thing. Okay, array let ans equals to array dot filter. Okay, we got a value v comma idx. Okay, v comma idx, we got a value, we will be idx. Okay, array dot filter v comma idx, return v dot index of array dot filter v in idx, return v let ans array dot filter v idx. Okay, how we can solve this? If we do idx return the v, it will be return all the things. If ans dot has function is on the set index of, how we will can do in the filter using let's first console.log so we can have an idea. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we can have return if v not equals to array of idx plus 1. Okay, and return that then ENS. Okay, but the issue is, so this is work, but issue is one also is repeated. We should elaborate this one also. So how can we do that? This don't work. If we dot sort, yeah, we can do sort. Array dot sort equals to, we are using a sort method. Okay, so a comma b. So yeah, now it's sort. Yeah, we can use the sort method. Using sort method, we have been sorted the array first of all. So this is an unsorted array, so it will be 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 like this, ascending to descending, perfectly setted order. So after setting it, it will be, we will filter it out, and after filter we can just return answer. Okay, so just like this we will be solved. So yep, so we have been solved this array deduplication. Let's try index of also. We didn't solve this index of. Okay, let's let fizz okay, first of all function functor function fizz biz. Okay, so we have called this function console.log fizz biz. Okay, after that we probably write a function that prints a number from 1 to n, but for the multiple of 3 and fizz 3, print fizz instead of a number, instead of the number, and for the multiple of 5, print buzz. I think we have been, oh wait, before you writing the fizz, we are supposed to do this using the index of, right? Okay, I just got distracted. Yeah, it happens. Array, okay. Hey, what does the index of do? Let's try dot index of. First of all, let's console dot this, so we will be know what does this do. -1 index of, it returns a -1 like true. Okay, let new array equals to an empty array. Let's try let loop I equals to I less than array dot length and I plus plus. I think it's like true or false if index new array dot index of array of I, so it will be detect some thing. I hope so. Let me try. If it is true, then new array dot push array of I, array of I. Okay, and return that new array. I hope so it's working. No. Okay, for first time it's work. New array, else continue. No, it's work, but like but not for the first time. If index of array, what does this printed? Let's just see using the console.log new array dot index of array of I. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so just reverse this. If we reverse this, okay, it doesn't print anything. mm, okay, let me try with this here. Let's check what does this. False, 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 true. Okay, if it is like this, minus one, minus one, why it is a minus one for all of her? New array, first of all, new array will be having nothing, right? Okay, this is the problem. Okay, see, at the third was 0 0.2, 0 1 2. Here it's got a positive 1, which means it doesn't have to push, right? Second, okay, third, fourth. Okay, let's if okay, if it does, so continue. Let's check this now. Why, what is the, and let's check, understand what is the purpose of what is for dot index of in JS. Let's understand. In JavaScript, index is a builder method to find the first position of the index of a specific value inside the string or an array. If the value is found, it's return its zero base index position. If the value does not exist, it return -1. Okay, if it is returned, then it will be 0 or a 1. Okay, so it's like mostly like -1. So if new array dot index of array of I, which means it will be produced -1, index array equals to -1, then a new array dot push array of I. Okay, let's just see okay, we don't have to console.log every time. Oh, I got it. So it will be checked. If there is nothing, so it will be written -1. So if the -1 and index of -1 will be true, then it will be push. So duplicate, all of the duplicates thing will be eliminated. Okay, got it. So we solve this using set, using filter, using index of. So we have solved this. Biz longest word. Okay, let's finish this. So if you're watching our video, so you can comment it out. So it will be help us to motivate also. So yeah, people are watching also, and we are loving. So we got motivated something. Let's just see. No watching, no issue. Let me drink some of the water. Yeah, also you also drink waters. Stay hydrated. Oh yeah, we have forgotten to add some background music. Okay, next time we will try to add some music. Fizzbase, okay. The problem, write a functions that prints a number from 1 to n, but for multiples of 3 print fizz instead of number, and for the multiple of 5 print buzz. For the number which are multiples of both 3 and 5 print fizzbase. Okay, okay, if it is a multiple of 3, then it will print fizz. If it is a multiple of 5, it will buzz. For the number which are both multiple of both 3 and 5, it will print fizz biz. Okay, write a function. So fun cdn function fizz biz. Okay, console.log fizz biz and okay, okay, it's not okay, just we are calling this because we will getting a n value of n will be 10 for now, and we got a n value. For loop, let I equals to 0, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. Okay, okay, oh, not a 1, we have told from 1 to n. Okay, so we have started the 1, so we have to return, right, or a print. We have to print, so we will be dot console.log. So here we will only calling the functions. Console.log uh, if I module 3 equals to 0, then console.log fizz, right, fizz multiple of, else if I module 5 equals to 0, console.log buzz. Okay, for the number which are both multiple of, else if so this we have to check first of all, right, so this is the second thing. If I module 3 equals to equals to 0, and if I module 5 equals to 0, then console dot log fizz buzz. If you know why I write first this statement, so let me know in the comment section. We will be love to see that our viewers are also understanding the conditioning. Okay, so yeah, let's run the thing. Okay, we did, okay, we have 10 value, right? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So we want to see the value of I here, so we want to see is the solution is correct or wrong. Okay, 3 for phase, 5 for buzz, 6 divisible by 5. Okay, and 10 is divisible by 5. Okay, there was a no fizz buzz, so let's give some more. Let's give a 20. So okay, for 15 we have fizz buzz, so fizz buzz number is a 15. So can we have a 15 like? So this will be, yeah, not sure. One day we will be having 1.5 million people. Wait, one day. Let's till then work around it. So also we can see, find the longest word. Okay, so what it is about, let's see. The problem, write a function that takes a string of words and returns the length of a longest word in a sentence. Write a function that take a string of words and return the string length of a longest word in a sentence. Okay, okay, let's see. Let's function longest word. Okay, so we are having a string. Okay, console log longest word we are having is the okay, so we have passed this string here. So let new string equals to string dot split, our favorite thing. We have splitted, we got an array. So let's let's write. Okay, so here we are also having a max, which value is 0. Return I equals to 0, I less than a new string dot wait, we are not, we want a space. Okay, so we want a particular words, not we are particular alphabet. So now we got a word of string, word of array, I mean. So go with the new string length and I plus plus. Okay, so after that we need just what we can see is if a new string of I dot length is a greater than max, then max equals to new string of I, which is a word, dot length. Okay, and at the end we will return max. Now you can see the most alphabet in 6. Okay, so yeah, we got a perfect answer. We do with a split using array of iteration, tracking or running of axiom. All the things we have been used in this. Okay, so we have been solved this far. So that's it for today. So like, if you love to watch this, also comment it out. Also you can share with us in our post or in the live chat or in the comment sections. So these are the questions that we love to see solving you by you. So we will be solved together on the live. We'll love to see. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye. Good night.